There's one simple way to keep control of everyday clutter with a purpose-built mudroom. The perfect drop and pack zone to organise coats, muddy shoes, school bags, even pet gear. Hello, I'm Diane, and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to build your own mudroom, designed to your own specifications using the Lugner modular storage system. Whether it's positioned in your garage, your laundry, or just inside the back door like this one, a mudroom is the answer to an organised, functional house, a designated place to handle all your day-to-day mess. There are a lot of ways to maximise storage and get organised. Nooks for baskets, large cupboards with shelves, and plenty of hooks for jackets and hats and bags, plus a bench seat for taking off those dirty shoes. Cupboards are great spots for kids' school gear and can double as a handy charging station for iPads and laptops. You can choose from a range of finishes or give your mudroom your own twist by choosing a paint colour that works with your decor. This design has plenty of cupboard space, overhead storage and drawers, plus a bench to pack and unpack bags and remove your shoes. To assemble, start with the left-hand cabinet, ensuring it is hard against the wall. To hang the overhead cabinets, pre-drill holes in the top and bottom back rails to prepare for hanging. Measure up to make sure cabinets align with the other units. You'll need a helper for this part. To fix units to the wall, use a stud finder to find a stud and attach the units to the wall stud. Use fixing screws to secure the units to the wall. If a stud can't be found, you will need to use wall mate or wall plug fixings to secure. Add the drawer units, making sure they sit square with the hanging cabinets. Add the final double door cabinet, making sure you use secure fixings to prevent the cabinet from falling over. Now line your mudroom cavity, fixing the two horizontal panels first and then installing the vertical side panels. Finish off your drop and pack zone with handy hooks for the items you use on a daily basis. You can go bold with colour or wallpaper and even artwork to make this organisation hub a place that looks good and works well for everyone in the house. And there you go, a new mudroom to make coming and going from your home every day a whole lot easier. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.